Polymatech Electronics is India's first semiconductor chip manufacturer, operating a state-of-the-art dark factory powered by advanced automation and precision engineering. With world-class manufacturing standards, Polymatech is strengthening India's semiconductor ecosystem. Today, we are visiting its plant in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. What's a dark factory? This is a dark factory, also known as a lights-out manufacturing facility. It represents the highest level of industrial automation in modern industry. In a dark factory, production systems operate with minimal human presence and maximum precision. Manufacturing is driven by robotics, automated material handling, advanced process equipment, and centralized digital control platforms. Human roles shift away from manual execution. They move toward high-value functions such as process engineering, automation design, data science, and reliability management. Polymatech operates India's first large-scale, fully integrated, lights-out manufacturing facility in the semiconductor and optoelectronics domain. Globally, only a select group of manufacturers operate facilities of this sophistication and automation intensity. The factory is designed from the ground up on Industry 4.0 principles. Automation is implemented end-to-end, from material movement to assembly, inspection, and final output. AI-driven process control systems continuously analyze real-time production data. Deviations are identified instantly. Corrective actions are applied automatically. This ensures consistent quality, high yield, and operational stability at scale. What you are hearing now is the live sound from inside the factory. This is how fully automated systems operate when production runs continuously. Every sound you hear comes from machines working together in a synchronized flow. Robotic movements, automated transfers, and precision equipment operate with exact timing. These sounds are not random. They reflect programmed processes, monitored and controlled by intelligent systems in real time. With minimal human presence, machines communicate through data, sensors, and control logic. Operations move seamlessly from one stage to the next without interruption. This steady, controlled rhythm is the sound of precision manufacturing. It represents efficiency, consistency, and engineering discipline at work. This is how advanced factories function: quiet, continuous, and seamlessly automated. In semiconductor manufacturing, tolerances are measured at microscopic levels. Environmental control is critical. By minimizing human presence, Polymatech maintains ultra-clean production conditions with reduced contamination and variability. You are now seeing automated material handling systems coordinating seamlessly across production zones. Robotic platforms perform loading, alignment, bonding, and inspection with repeatable accuracy. Machine vision systems conduct inline quality checks in real time. Dark factories operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They are not dependent on human shift cycles. They also reduce energy consumption associated with lighting, climate control, and human-centric infrastructure. From an ESG perspective, this model supports energy efficiency and resource optimization. Processes are digitally monitored to minimize waste, rework, and material loss. Predictive maintenance reduces unplanned downtime and extends equipment life. Automation also enables precise tracking of energy usage, emissions, and operational efficiency. This allows continuous improvement aligned with global sustainability and compliance frameworks. Importantly, advanced automation does not eliminate employment. It transforms it. Polymatech's operations generate high-skill employment in semiconductor process engineering, automation systems, AI analytics, equipment maintenance, and software integration. These are future-ready roles aligned with global semiconductor manufacturing standards. The work culture within the facility emphasizes precision, discipline, safety, and continuous learning. Decisions are data-driven. Processes are standardized. performance improvement is ongoing. Cross-functional teams collaborate across engineering, quality, and operations. This creates a high accountability environment focused on yield, reliability, and long-term scalability. Polymatech's dark factory also enables deep collaboration with global equipment suppliers, technology partners, and customers. This accelerates technology transfer and strengthens India's domestic semiconductor ecosystem. Globally, only a handful of facilities operate at this level of automation maturity and digital integration.